Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. It's the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
Hey smoothie lovers, welcome back to Blends by Tweetie, where we blend with purpose, sip with intention, and glow from the inside out. This smoothie tastes just like fall. Apple pie in a cup, but good for your body. Start with one small apple, then add half a banana for natural sweetness. Sprinkle in a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon for that warm, cozy flavor. Add a tablespoon of oats to make it hearty and pour in half a cup of milk. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy. And you've got yourself a delicious apple pie smoothie with only about 180 calories. Sweet, cozy, and also satisfying. Perfect for fall mornings or anytime you're craving apple pie vibes without the guilt. Follow for more smoothie recipes. Bye!
I got you. Yes.